Guys, this lesson will be dedicated to how to register with a Forex broker. And in general, we will discuss the Forex broker on the platform where we will be trading. Open any browser, internet browser. Go to the search bar and type Weltrade. I already have it here. Now we have navigated to the broker's website. This is quite already broker. It has been around for 18 years. We are currently on its website. A fairly convenient broker for trading, but the main reason I chose it, there are many other brokers, not because it has been around for 18 years, exists, but because we look into its trading conditions, check the account types, and we see that it has an account for beginners called micro, and it states that this account is in cents. Thus, the minimum deposit here is $1, which in principle doesn't matter for $1. Of course, we won't deposit just that. We will deposit at least $100. However, I promise that this course, for which I am recording video lessons, will be including convenient for those who do not have a large amount of funds to start trading. So this micro uploaded account on Demon is just right for these people. Why? Because if you, for example, deposit 100 USD, that is, if you deposit into a regular account, it will be 100 account units, right? It turns out that your trading platform will show 100. But if we deposit 100 USD into a micro account, then we add to this 100, to the 100 units, 2 more zeros. Because it's in cents, and there are 100 cents in $1, thus we add 2 zeros and we get 10,000 account units. This is the trick, so to speak. Let's call it such a trick. Mathematically, it is beneficial for those who don't have a normal large amount of funds to start, even a small amount, sufficient amount of funds. To start, for many trading bots, the minimum amount to begin is from 1,000 USD for most, or even more. Let's say if you deposit 100 USD here, it's quite a feasible condition, I think, for most of those watching this training course. So if you deposit 100 USD and use a micro account, you immediately fulfill the main condition for all trading bots, including the trading bot we will use. We will have a trading account starting from 1,000 USD and above. We will have 10,000 USD. So you have 100 USD, $10 available. You have deposited the amount and your account balance is as if 10,000. You will not earn more. And it's not $10,000, it's 10,000 cents. So 10,000 cents allows us to fully utilize this trading bot. We will have enough money on deposit for this bot to trade. Plus, we see that here, the leverage is up to 1,000 units. And overall, our minimum contract size is 0.1. As for the number of orders, it's 200. 100 pending orders. Here, it's kind of like a full-fledged micro account, which will be, I would recommend to everyone, even those who are starting to trade with a decent amount of funds. Let's say someone has 1,000 USD, still choose micro, and you will have, if you deposit 1,000, then there will be 100,000 units in the account of currency. These 100,000 units, if you set the bot on a large account size, it will be easier for it to manage your money than if it were just 1,000. You will have much more leverage. Your account will be more flexible to manage. Use a regular standard account. We see that there are MT4 and MT5 platforms here. These are the most popular platforms. And regarding the assets here, completely like the set that we need. And so to register, we can click on the registration button. Or for example, look here, there is a button to open an account. Choose any yes. And here you can either register through the social media function or through an email call address and not. So we registered an account. This is like the initial registration. Then later we will need to provide more specific information. Their last name, first name, patronymic, date of birth. But now for registration, it's enough for us to simply fill out a light form and send it to the broker MLL for confirmation. So I open the email and we have a message with a confirm button. For the phone, the system let me into my personal account. And here I already have the broker has preliminarily opened a PRO account. We don't need this account. We are ignoring it for now. What do we need then? To click the button, open account. And here we have an account, micro. So we switch to this account and open a micro account. We choose the MT4 platform, MT4, because our trading bot, which I will be distributing within this course and which will work towards earning our first million, it is designed for the MT4 platform. So the deposit currency, I recommend using USD, although we also have euros here, but we will still choose USD. As for the leverage, there is a choice from small to large, and you should choose the largest leverage. Click the Open Account button, and we see that we already have an account opened micro. Now we can make a deposit. Let's see what this broker has. For opening an account. So guys, I see that here I have for account replenishment, there are 2 payment systems and cryptocurrencies. Unfortunately, there are no bank cards available for replenishment, which is bad, but in principle, registering with Neteller or Skrill is a matter of minutes. Moreover, you can replenish with cryptocurrencies. I am going to the cryptocurrency replenishment. I enter here the micro account that I created for trading. Here I enter the amount of replenishment. Here, the currency. And then I proceed to account replenishment. The address. The key and hash, the network system, and Ethereum. And here I have the opportunity to enter this amount. I copy it here. I'm inserting and writing. Click withdraw. So, okay, my money has been sent. We are waiting for them on the broker's platform. I think it will be quite fast. I will pause the video and return to recording when my account on the broker's platform is replenished. So guys, a message has arrived from Weltrade. Weltrade, here for now on my account. Seu shows the balance 0. I refresh my balance, and here I have $257. Dollars, I understand, went to payment system fees, that is the transfer from the real account from Binance to my account, micro, at Weltrade. Now I will set up the Weltrade platform and show how to install a trading bot.